Welcome. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to delete a message from a channel on the Telegram app on your PC using the new update, so you can keep your channel clean and organized with ease. First, start by launching the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Next, open the channel where the message you want to delete is located. Navigate through your chats or channels list and click on the one you want to manage. Once you're inside the channel, find the specific message you want to remove. Move your mouse cursor over the message and then right-click on it. This will open a small context menu with options related to that message. In this menu, you need to select Delete Message. When you click this, a confirmation pop-up window will appear, asking if you're sure about deleting that message. Finally, in the pop-up window, click Delete to confirm the removal. The message will be deleted from the channel. That's all there is to it. With just these simple steps, launch Telegram, open your channel, find and right-click the message, select Delete and Confirm. You can quickly and efficiently delete any message from your Telegram channel on your PC. This update has made the process straightforward, saving you time and effort. Thanks for following along.